my dear. Drizzy. Oh, Bele. Sorry, eh? How you doing now?
I did fine, no. I just stay. I beg, your sister dey house.
No, she no dey. She don't dey here, they wait for you, sis. As she wait, tire. She say me she go treat other patient. Sit down here, make you wait for her until she go come.
No problem. Thank you, eh. I be dey wait for my brother. Make she no vex for me, oh. Now my brother will promise me money for the treatment. I be dey wait for.
No wahala. Eh? She no go vex, yeah?
Oh, no problem. Ma, wait for her.
Yeah, sit down, wait for her. Bele? Hi. May I see your hand? Hi. Bele? Eh, boy, don't they go, eh?
Don't be paying no tell her before.
Yeah. Sorry, eh? Don't make she say make she go treat some of all these people. You know, say some of them they break leg. To waka come out for house, they know they fit. So she they go there, go see them. Eh? Sorry.
She dey try. You know easy.
Ha! Sister, not be say you talk her. You see that girl? God use and bless me. Now my sister, but it be like say she comot so many burden for my head. The kind work where she did, even this pure water business, my dear, it didn't do. Nothing there here.
I swear to God, that your sister, eh? Na blessed child.
I dey tell you.
With the blessed hand, that hand alone, na magic.
My sister,
I dey tell you.
You don't talk and finish. Thank God bless her for me. What's it with that? Why you dey run like that? What's happened?
Your sister.
My sister?
Yeah.
Joanna, what's happened to her? Talk now, what's happened?
She dey fight with that she girl. She girl.
She dey fight where?
With that she girl.
Jesus Christ. Which kind of wahala?
For junction.
Carry me, go get she.
Let's go now.
Don't stay here, wait.
Help me! Somebody help me! I'm sorry! Someone help me! I'm sorry!
Stand up! Stand up from there! Shut up your mouth! What did they do you? Eh? What is wrong with you? Must you fight everybody? Okay, so if a rat passes here now, you fight the person. And they talk, you still they look at. You want to fight her? Oh yeah, carry your slippers. Carry your slippers, let's go! My darling, sorry, eh? Sorry. Oh yeah, Alele. Which kind of wahala is this? I can go, sister. Come on, move on. Eh? Go. Joanna, what is wrong with you? Eh? No, what is wrong with you? I wish to make we fry egg for you. I be made them burn this whole community. What is with you and fight? Person go follow you laugh, you don't set blow. They never talk finish, you don't begin they fight. What is it with you? Joanna, how many times do you want me to remind you that this is not our place? We not come from this place. I dey talk amo. I dey tell you. Because the day where these men go gather. In fact, the day where this community go gather say they won't beat you. I not go put mouth talk anything. What is wrong with you? Eh? Why do you keep being a nuisance to everybody here? Morning you are fighting, afternoon you are fighting, night you are fighting. They swear for you. What did they do you? Ha! Now wow!
Joanna, I think your big sis they talk. Now better thing she dey tell you. I know say you know they like trouble, now then they find you, but I beg you avoid them. Don't big pass this thing now.
Joanna. Yeah, what did happen? I beg, try to listen to your sister. It's not a big deal. I beg you in the name of God. Eh? You know, saying a person when they listen to person, now they live long for this life. Okay, you know. I beg in the name of God, try to listen to your elder sister. Unless boys will gather you. I don't talk my own.
Baba, may God bless you. Thank you for this thing when you talk now. God bless you.
Amen. Big sis.
God bless you.
Amen. And the second day, you know, say at the level of her. Understand? So me, I go like after leaving work for her, I go become a girl.
Don't talk and finish.
You don't do. I don't hear. Big sis, I don't hear.
Thank you.
I saw you go talk as you don't pass that place now. This minute, this one don't pass your ear. Come on. You don't hear. They wait for you. You think I'm going to say anything? I'm going to talk anything. Wow. Fight. See how you just made me run this morning. Eh? People not continue. I don't promote them. I do. Hello. Papa, may take care.
Okay, bye-bye.
Sorry now. Give me my hand.
I couldn't conceive for over 8 solid years. But I was told he got married. Was he able to have kids? Oh Lord. I can't even tell anyone the reason for my barrenness, not even Joanna. I wish I can see Desmond once again, at least to break the oath. But he's just there in the white man's land enjoying himself with his wife. It didn't even occur to him that this oath might have effects not just on me alone, but him as well. Well, I have decided not to marry again. I can't bear the pains of being humiliated by any other man. I'd rather remain single for the rest of my life than being in a marriage that can never be fruitful. I got married because I heard he got married. If I knew that this oath will affect me, I wouldn't have gotten married in the first place. Desmond, my God will judge you.
How have you been? You just forget me like that.
Today no talk like that. I don't forget you. See, I've been so busy. You see this work what they do. If I know they attend to them for house, and they go their houses, they attend to them. Especially those ones when no sabi work. They think they take my time like this. Like I know they even get time for myself. I did tell you.
This is really serious. You be like say people really break bone this period.
As in,
because you never work like this before.
They really break bone, but they don't do well now. We thank God. For working,
Well, all the same, very soon you are going to become an orthopedic surgeon. You will own an hospital and even have people working under you.
They make me laugh. Like, how I want to reach there? Now with this small change what they make for this work what they do, or the 400 naira profit when my sister they make for that pure water business. So they see me, I don't tire for school. I don't even want to go again. Like, not be everybody go school now, Dozie. So they just leave school first.
So now they talk this kind of thing now. Why they talk like this?
But not true now. See, Dozie, I need to attend a school for orthopedic surgeons. At least to become a certified orthopedist. How I want to achieve them now? How?
I understand. I understand what they try talk. And you know, say that they talk say, once there is life, there is hope. So hope they.
You see this thing where they talk about hope? My sister know they talk and since then till now, no hope. I need to attend.
Hope you don't collect my money from that woman.
Yes, madam.
At least you don't forget again.
No.
So no hope till today. So leave that one where they talk about hope.
Well, if na money be the problem, I understand where they go now. I go sponsor you for school. Yes, my brother Daniel is done with his schooling and ready for youth service. And even my fish pond business is doing very well. So you have nothing to worry for.
Brother, no. Sponsor. Eh? Brother, you dropped out of uni. You worked very hard to sponsor Daniel's education. Now Daniel is done and he's about to serve. I'm the next in line. You are talking about sponsoring someone else's education. Eh, brother? It will not happen, no. It will not. You're not even thinking about going back to school or thinking about me. Eh? Eh, brother? Brother, listen. You do no such thing. I will not allow you.
Uju, it's okay.
Brother, she's not your responsibility.
Dozie.
Uju, I said it's okay.
Dozie, please.
Oh yeah, you stand up. Stand up
okay.
now. Be going.
Dozie.
I'm sorry about my sister.
There is no problem. I'm not offended. I'm not.
Leave
Don't
me.
worry. She's actually right. I am not your responsibility. I don't even know why you want to sponsor. Dozie, you need to go to school too. And she also needs to go to school.
I know, my brother.
Don't worry.
Oh yeah, go.
I will
Bye
see
bye.
you tomorrow.
They go, I beg. They go. Bye bye. Go.
What was that nonsense for?
I'm telling the truth.
Must you behave that way whenever I have a guest?
Brother, she's not your responsibility. I've said my own.
Better mind yourself.
Mom, I am sick and tired of being childless. I am sick and tired of being childless. When will I have to see my own children? When? I was just coming back from work. I saw my ex-wife with her husband, and look at her. She's heavily pregnant. And you said the problem is not from me? Mom, the problem is actually my problem. My own problem.
Just calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. Where haven't I gone to? Where haven't I gone to? Where? I mean, what sort of test haven't I done? Everything I've done, everything to the extent of going to the village to break the oath I took with Stella.
What?
Yes!
You took a blood oath with that local girl?
Mom, that was then. That was a long time ago.
How? I don't even understand.
Okay, Mom, this is it. We took this blood oath before I traveled. I mean, I wasn't meant to impregnate anyone and cheat as herself.
Why did you not tell me all this while? Why?
Okay, I wasn't meant to impregnate any woman. And she herself wasn't meant to get pregnant for any man. But when I came back, I went to the village. I was told that she got pregnant and she left the community with a so-called stupid village lover.
Hold on a minute. Wait, if she could get pregnant for another man and she's still alive, that means that blood oath both of you took has no more effect on you two. So just calm down. Calm down. You'll get married and have children, okay?
When? When? Is it when I am close to my own grave?
Son, don't talk like that. You will definitely find a woman who will love you unconditionally. And at God's appointed time, you will have children.
I pray so.
It will be so, my son.
Amen.
Sophia called me today.
Sophia?
Mm-hmm.
Sophia?
Oh, that lady I told you that paid for my things at the mall.
Oh, yeah.
Aha. She called me and said that she's coming tomorrow. You know, both of us exchanged contacts.
Oh, yeah, you said so. Yeah.
She'll visit us tomorrow.
Us?
Yes, us.
I don't think I'll be around tomorrow.
Oh, really? Very well then.
I'll tell her to come on Saturday, because I know you'll be home.
Saturday.
Amaka! Amaka!
Yes, ma'am. Ma?
Please get me a glass of juice.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Hi, son.
Hi.
You're welcome.
Thank you. And how was your day?
It was okay. Yours?
Hectic, Boga.
Here it is, ma'am.
Thank you.
Amaka, how are you?
Thank you very much.
Sorry. Thank you.
Yeah.
So how was your day?
I said my day was hectic.
Oh, sorry about that.
Thank you. So, when are you leaving for the village?
Oh, next week.
Next week. Okay. Mom, are you sure you still want to sell the land?
Yes, son. I still want to sell it.
I wish I had a gift. I would have built a very big orthopedic hospital.
We wanted to build a traditional orthopedic hospital for my mother before she passed.
Yeah, so rest in peace.
Amen. So I still want to sell it.
It's okay, Mom. Let me freshen up. I will join. I can see Amaka is preparing something very, very delicious.
Oh, it's not Amaka.
Not Amaka? Then who?
Hi, Justin.
And you must be...
Sophia. Oh, can I please help you with the bag? Thank you.
on. Thank you.
Come here. Joanna, okay.
Okay. Yeah, I don't finish.
Alright now, thank you.
No wahala. Tomorrow just come early. Na small thing remain. Just come early.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, Thank you. Auntie Stella.
Yeah, you don't finish.
I don't finish. You must go out.
Yeah, Bele.
Alright,
Find
thank you.
your hand, eh?
Don't be better. Alright, bye-bye.
Alright, now take care of yourself.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Sorry now. Sorry.
Camis now. You don't do. Wait. May I rest more? Wait.
Wetin you dey rest for? Small thing dey here. Bro, your bone no scatter o. And you dey shout like this. You know people bone wey dey scatter. I don finish now, oga. Just straighten your leg.
Wait now.
Yeah, drop am.
Why they do this thing? Because they no be you the thing do. You
Sorry.
understand? Now me they feel the pain, so take am easy now.
Sorry. Go bring bandage, carry come. This is. You know say Bobo dey leave us.
Baba, is that true?
Yes, so my uncle said my follow and go city, so I go further my education.
Bobo won't leave me, oh.
Now lost doing, oh.
I swear.
Make una see Baba see city, oh.
My guyest guy.
Now the lost doing, oh.
I'm happy for you, Well done.
Thank you.
I'm gonna just focus on my leg.
Oga, keep quiet now.
Take
I
am
go
easy
leave
now.
this
Na
leg.
person leg
Dey
be
mad.
Sorry now.
I go leave am.
Na person leg be this now. Focus.
I tell you say na stone.
You dey do my leg, still dey talk another thing.
Let me call you back.
Yeah, but how far now? Your papa say he give you money to give me. You no come give me. Wetin come happen?
Yeah, he gave me the money. But I want to make use of the money. My name is out for service. So I want to use the money and prepare myself well.
Oh, okay. You won't go service?
Yes.
Oh, congrats.
Thank you.
So my money now, how I want to take collect am? Mama meet your papa again.
No. Don't meet him. I've already told him that I've given you the money. So you don't have to meet him.
Mirabel, I beg, no provoke me. You see me like this. Now fight her from come like this. I beg. No even provoke me. No add to ram, I beg. Which one is you go give me my money later? You don't use my money. So on top my money again, you want claim rights? I don't understand.
Hey!
This girl, oh.
See this one, no? Wait. You want me to beg you? Wait. Who are you? Who are you? I'm asking you. What are you feeling like? Wait, I should beg you. Besides, what do you need money for? What do you need money for? Do you have school fees to pay?
Declare, you don't learn now, Shebi. Oh, why beat a dead rat when he can't feel the pain? Huh? Why? See, whether you talk say I no go school or I go school, you no go pay me. Whether you talk say I no get money or to go school, that one no pay me. That one no. You know, even the school no dey my mind again. You hear me so? That one school no dey my mind. So wetin you dey talk no concern me about school. Just leave that one. Give me my money, abeg.
Why will you think about school? Why will you think about school when you and your sister can't even afford 3 square meals a day? Let alone paying school fees. Look, let me tell you, I will advise you to use this energy you're using on me to pray to God. Let God give your barren sister a man that will marry her. Obviously, he might be kind enough to train you in school. Do you understand?
Wait till you call my sister now.
Barren woman, isn't she?
Talk am again.
Isn't she
The next time you try this, if you call my sister that name again, I don't tell you. You can't stand here, idiot. See, the next time when you call my sister name again, wetin I go do you? You see this bone where you dey call? This one na bone. I go break am. Are you hearing me? You don't hear me?
Let go of my hand.
Oh, you see the... You don't hear me? You dey hear me so? The next time you call my sister name again, what is wrong with you? Don't you ever call my sister a barren woman again. Are you hearing me? Give me my money.
I have the money in my bag.
Joanna, leave her.
Jesus Christ.
Try it again.
Joanna, what's in you?
She called you a barren woman.
So? I tell you to fight. Oh, my dear. Sorry.
Can you imagine this? Calling you a barren woman? Is she mad?
It's okay. Oh yeah, move.
Thank your God.
What? Joanna! Joanna, what thing they do you? No, that's you. What thing they worry you? You dey Chris? What thing they worry? You know why it be say every time I dey talk, if I dey talk here, if they pass here, they go outside. What is wrong with you? You don't forget say this place no be our place. Every time you they go out there, they go fight. Listen, let me tell you, these people will talk whether you like it or not. They will always talk. All I'm asking is that you calm down. Take them easy. And go back to school. That is what you should be thinking about. Going back to school. The only thing where your head now fight. You dey Chris?
Big sis, you and I know the little profit we make does not even provide 3 square meals in this house. So how do you intend to pay my school fees? Big sis, listen, I don't want to stress you, and that's why I dropped out of school. I don't want to stress you. Shouldn't be school, they talk about school again.
Joanna, you dey speak English for? You there when I dey baff you? When you dey run for streets, wear pants, they walk out and down. You there there? Now me take care of you, now you dey advise me wetin I go do now. You are telling me you don't want to stress me. Oh, walking on the streets and fighting people, acting like a lunatic is the best thing for you. Joanna, why you no one bring your head? Why can't you just calm down? And who told you that you are stressing me? Have I ever complained to you? No, have I told you that you are stressing? Joanna, I'm begging you in the name of God. Bring your mind down. Think about going to school. That should be your thoughts right now.
See, big sis, you see that school something? Leave am. Leave am. Who's on is school? Why are you talking? Why are you bringing school now? I don't want to go back to... Okay, if I go, how do you intend to pay my fee? How do you intend to pay my fee?
About your fees, I will talk to Dozie. I will beg... I go beg am now. Small go dey pay am back.
Please, don't go there. Why will you go there? Please don't go to Dozie, I beg you.
Which one be don't go there? If I don't go there, where will I go to?
Don't go to Dozie.
But this man is your friend.
So, Pixie, I know why I'm telling you not to go there. Don't go there.
Why? No, tell me why.
I can't tell you, big. Oh God. Pixie, please don't go to Dozie. Oh. Don't go to Dozie. I've told you.
I'm asking you why.
Okay, now if you go to Dozie, how do you want to pay his money? How do you intend to be paying back instrumentally? How? Okay.
Yeah, always are coming. You're here.
Yes. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm very well, thank you. So, I've been with mom for the past 2 hours and it's late for me to go back home. You know my place is far. So I want to ask if you don't mind. I want to join you.
Fine. Why not?
Okay.
Just you can lie down.
Okay, thank you.
No, just lie down.
Okay.
Oh.
Hi. You're welcome. You're welcome. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
I hope you're spending the night.
Yes.
Good. So good to hear. You know, you look pretty every passing day. So whatever the secret is, keep it up.
Please, Mrs. Elizabeth here, Nacho.
Yes.
Please, can I just take my woman inside?
Exactly. That's where both of you should always be.
Oh,
inside.
Oh,
But
please,
you made
please,
me
please,
attractive.
please, please.
Come on.
Joanna, 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 Joanna. Baby,
Good day.
Good day.
Thank you.
I beg you, the fine person.
Yes, I was, but I found the person.
Who you dey look for, I beg?
I'm here to see you.
Me.
Yes.
Okay, I hope there's no problem.
No, not at all. But at least you should offer me a seat.
No vex. I don't know you, so I cannot give you a seat yet. Who you?
Wait, oh. I think I've seen you somewhere before. I remember you are the person I saw at the shop.
Yes, you're right.
Oh.
At least now you've been able to recognize me. At least she offered me a seat.
My bad. I'm sorry.
That's
No vex, I beg. Oh yeah, come enter my mouth now. They talk to person you, they look me. Go and bring chair for him.
Thank you.
What kind of poko? I'm sorry.
That's fine.
You're welcome, eh?
Thank you.
Be fast. Please sit down.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I am. Auntie, come. If you want to sit, you sit. If you want to go inside, you go inside. I'm sorry.
That's fine.
I hope there's no problem.
Oh yes, there's no problem. Like I said, I'm here to see you. Let me quickly introduce myself properly to you. My name is Ferdinand Austin Uchember. I am a businessman. You know, I got attracted to you the moment I saw you at the shop. So ever since then, I haven't been myself. So I am here to tell you that I would love to marry you, to make you my wife.
Sorry. Sorry, I beg. Don't be angry. You just saw me at the shop. You don't know who I be. You want to marry me. How?
Now let me tell you. I have asked questions about you via my friend. I want you to also know that I don't need kids. I already have 4 kids with my ex-wife. Yes, I know it's kind of quite too sudden, but I just want to marry you.
Wait.
I believe that every man deserves some companionship.
It's okay, Oga. It's okay. You mean you went around asking questions about me?
Yes.
And Dozier actually
No, not Dozier. It's not Dozier. It's my best friend.
Mr. Ferdinand, you come here to mock my sister.
No, that's not true.
No, wait, oh. You go round, they ask questions about my sister. For waiting now. And you even believe them. So wait. Waiting be the guarantee say if you marry her, she go dey safe for your hands. See, my sister is not barren. You hear me so? My sister is not barren. And don't you ever try to make her feel like that again. She's not a barren woman. I don't dey talk this thing since. Una they make me vex.
It's okay, I heard you. Stella, I would say I am sorry to have gone around asking questions about you. I'm sorry. But you see, if you should say yes to my proposal, I promise, you see your kid sister right here, I will sponsor her education to any level of a choice.
Huh?
Yes, oh yes.
I'm sorry. I know here with you. You say what you?
Okay, I said, if you should say yes to my proposal, I am ready to sponsor your kid sister's education to any level of a choice.
I'll marry you.
You marry me?
Yes! What are we talking about?
Big sis, you will marry him. Why? I beg, you no go marry her. Which one be you go? You don't even know him for an hour. Shh. Why you go marry? Shh.
Sorry.
No, that's fine.
That's how she behaves. She has high fever. She talks some point. I slap you. You get Chris? Eh? Do you know how long I have begged God for this? Eh? Do you know how long I've been asking? Shut up! If I woos you, keep quiet. Sorry. That's how we try to relate sometimes.
I think I do understand.
She's okay now. But you said you are going to see my sister through school. Like you pay her school fees.
Well, when I said what I said, I wasn't carrying water in my mouth. I said, the moment you say yes, I am going to sponsor her education to the level of a choice.
I'll marry you. Just fix a date.
Okay, that's fine.
See time now. What other people don't chop? Why my own? Why what is going to happen today? Yeah, me, they're hungry. Oh. Wait, oh. Hey. I don't know say you go still bring the food for me. Oh. I don't wait. So I can't lose weight. I can't the reason say you sure Sam can never disappoint me as they talk.
My brother and Oga wife. She say she go bring your food. Now which the dish am.
But which day she can't begin to dish my food again for this house?
I don't know. She just wake up today. Say make I know the dish food again. Say if I the dish I dey put plenty in it.
Huh?
So enjoy.
Wait oh. Upon saying a small food she put for me. Now what me today here? So today now where she just waka come this house now come marry Oga. Now she don't begin to frustrate my life like this. I know say the kind of big food where they put for me. She can't say carry one meat put on top. What did I do this woman now?
Even the 3 times so you dey chop. She say na 2 times now you go dey chop.
You say? That one no go happen for this house oh. Why she gonna do that kind of thing? Wait oh. The energy where she carry come for this house now to frustrate me. She no carry that energy go lie down make Oga give am belle. Make she born pikin now she won't come carry am now come put for the food where they chop. That woman, God go punish am.
He must get mad at me. Mad go.
Wait. This thing which she bring for me, na food I been a do. How she gonna give me this kind of food for this house where I dey? See, Amaka, wait. I know say, make I for no buy for here. Time to time, even if na in the evening, you work, you know as you dey bring am for me. So I feel they okay. Because if this woman, she feel give me for here. Energy where she want to carry belle for Oga. Now she won't come to frustrate my life for here. Why dey?
You know say you like bad.
I know say you no go disappoint me. No problem. This woman, God go punish am. Wetin I do you? This small food now why they manage. No be say you get what you dey give me. Nah, where you don't come. Climb there now, whole Oga give you belle. You leave am now, come dey put eye for food where they chop for here. You no go better for you. Make I go chop my food. You no go better for you, this woman.
Are you sure about this thing?
I am very sure. Very, very sure.
Okay.
Joanna! I don't call you since now.
Yes, I was the one who sent for you. You have a seat.
Okay.
Joanna, I want you to prepare all of your clothes and everything you'll be needing because you'll be going to school.
Oh, wait now they carry clothes go school for now.
The thing is that the school is a boarding school. But he said the place fine well. Say you will like him.
Boarding school?
Yes.
Why boarding school? Why no fit they go school from here? And I don't understand why.
Well, if you must know, your sister and I just got married, and I believe we'll be needing some privacy.
Privacy? Are they disturb now? Okay, you sure say that the reason be that?
Joanna, don't start asking questions. Just listen to what he has said. It's for your own good. She been at this school where we don't talk about since. I beg.
Big sis, I beg. You see Anna, who should be boarding school again? For this big house, I did disturb now. I know if we go boarding school. I know if my mind no big sis, no, I beg.
Now, you listen to me. Listen to me. It's either you go to the boarding school or you go back to the ghetto. This is my house. I decide who stays.
Baby.
Oh yes, don't baby me. You hate her. You shouldn't baby me. Am I asking for so much? All I'm asking for here is just privacy.
Joanna, I beg. Just for my sake, go to boarding school. How do you want to go back to the ghetto alone? You want to stay ghetto alone?
Big sis, I beg. Don't try to convince me like this. I don't make up my mind. I go back ghetto. no dey go any boarding school. Which one be boarding school? Now our plan be that. I dey go back get to abeg. Which kind thing be this one?
You heard her. Since she doesn't want to help herself. Going to school is not something bad.
That it still doesn't make sense to me. You know, it's not the only family why it gets with that. And you want her to... Joanna. You were serious?
Fix this. I won't go back ghetto. I know they go boarding school. I know if you go boarding school.
Joanna, you cannot go back to the ghetto alone now. You cannot go back to the ghetto alone. Say something now.
Fix this. I beg. I don't make up my mind like this. I won't go back ghetto. Leave me.
Look, let me tell you. As you are stepping out of this house, you will always need the permission to come back. Since you don't have anyone to caution you, I will always do that. I must caution you.
Joanna, please now. I dey beg you.
Get back to the
I dey beg you now. And only you know go fit stay for ghetto now. Where I dey beg you.
Big sis, I beg. I won't go back ghetto. Now there I belong, sir. I won't go back, I beg.
Babe, allow her to go now. You and I know that we need our privacy. Allow her to go.
Joanna.
Babe.
Don't, you know good now. You know, see my sister. No, they tell me make her, no, they sit
Why
down.
don't we talk to you? Sit down. Sit, baby. You and I know that we just got married. We need our privacy.
So make only my sister go there forget. You know good now.
But am I asking for so much? Am I? It's okay. It's okay.
Hello, baby. Hey, you're missing me already? But babe, I was with you all through yesterday. We made love, and it's still playing fresh in my head. Yes. It's okay. Relax yourself. Very soon, you'll have me all to yourself. I miss you too. You know, I'm home alone. His mom is not around. Yes. Okay, I miss you too, and I love you so much. You take care of yourself for me, and don't allow any girl come close to you. I'm serious. Bye.
If you see the kind of face Oga take look me, when I tell her say I go buy pant for Madam Sophia, you can't be as if you think she don't carry belly. Yeah?
Hey! See, I dey pity Oga. I dey pity Oga. See, this life where we no balance. Okay, see, I'm now rich man. You get money everywhere, you get everything. But you know if you born again. Okay, see me now. Oga Emos. We no even get hope. Future no day. I carry children full everywhere. Any woman who I touch womb, you go carry better. That's what it's like, Bill.
Emos, I beg, you no go kill me with laughing.
Yes, nah.
You can't even get 4 children, Joy.
I did 4 children, no. And all of them deal with my mama for village, including their own mama. I don't even know what I go do. See, I even tell him I no go marry him.
You see? Why you no go marry? After 4 children?
Ha!
No way.
That one concern him because I don't see Mama city girl who I want marry.
For this place?
Yes, nah. But I never tell her. But I go tell her today.
You go tell her?
Yes, nah.
Who be the girl?
Eh? You want know? Amaka, na you.
You see?
Eh?
Who?
Now you now. You don't want marry. You know if you marry me.
You dey mad.
Who?
I will punish you.
Yeah?
Something they do you. Me. Marry you. You will no get hope. We even get 4 children join.
Hey, Amaka.
Abeg.
Amaka, wait. See. Wait, Amaka. You know say, if we put head together, if you do this thing, as they pay you salary, they pay me salary. We go join them together, use them, do something. I beg. We go feed do them. Hey, Amaka, see.
Abeg, shut up.
No, wait now. See, Amaka, wait. See. All those ones where you see say, I get for there. Now picking them be. But you now, you can't give me fine kids. We be say 2 of us go contribute together.
Okay, kids and picking are different thing.
Yeah, different thing. All those ones are picking now.
Yeah.
Like Oga now, if Oga born children now, what you go born full everywhere now, kids. You know if you born picking like me, we carry everything full for here. Eh? Amaka, wait now, Amaka. Wait. Listen to me now.
My God will punish you. See what they think. Rubbish.
See, you see, person like me now, we no get hope. Any woman where you touch womb, you go enter. Any woman where you touch womb, you go enter. Now, you see Amaka now say she don't go fit marry me. What I can do? And Oga himself, we get money. We get what you go take train the children. No gree come. Hey! What you can tell Amaka now, we go make her accept this thing. I could change another strategy.
In Jesus' mighty name I have prayed.
Amen.
And amen.
Mom, thank you for everything. Thank you for all your prayers. Thank you for all your wishes. Thank you for all you do for me. I really do appreciate.
Son, you shouldn't thank me. I am your mother. Well, I'm just doing my job as a mother.
And I will not stop thanking you as my mother.
God bless you, my son.
Bless you too, Mom. Love you.
I love you, Mom.
I'll soon be back, okay?
Bye.
Bye. Amaka, what do you come sit down here they do? This one where your face there like this, what happen?
I don't tire. This woman don't tire me.
What happen again? You and this woman, what happen again?
This woman no said the work what they do for this house is plenty. Eh? Okay, now I dey wash clothes with washing machine. She come dey tell me say make I use my hand. Say the salary wey Oga pay me say e reach me to dey use my hand dey wash clothes. She know say dey stressful.
But wetin the washing machine wey dey for the house come dey do?
I don't know.
Hey. Now which kind person be this one? Eh? Now this thing Oga carry and come do for this house. Every time, wetin she go dey find an opportunity and a privilege where she go take sack person for this house.
And he no go work.
Amen. He no go ever work.
Sometimes, I just dey wish say they fit just bring another person where we go collab with the work. I no even mind though, even if they comot small thing from my salary, it go good. But that woman, she no go gree.
She no go gree, oh. This one, she no go gree. Only thing where she dey here they do, now just today, carry leg, hang for a chair, answer call for 40 hours, 20 hours. And sometimes I'll come to ask myself question, say, who be this person where no get work? Where they follow him? Who be this person where they follow him talk every time? And Oga no know.
Wait, you say you don't observe him?
Me? Ha! My eye they chook for ground, no. I they look, I they put eye where. See, this woman way no pure at all.
Me, my own are just to do my job for this house and mind my business.
Even me, I dey mind my own business, oh. But you get one thing I want to tell you. Any bad thing what say this woman they do for this house, me, Oga I must tell Oga. Because I like Oga where. Because nobody feel do for me what you Oga they do for me for this house. Even the salary where they pay me. No place where I go feel collect that kind of salary. For this place where they.
The same thing, no?
Then now, waiting she they look for now. Now where she want take cut person salary. And that one not go happen for me.
Who even tell you say she never go meet Oga make cut her salary? But you know so Oga na
Never
nice
they
man,
talk
you no go gree.
wall get here.
Happy.
I don't tell you.
Oh yeah now. Make I dey go.
Go right, but like I tell you, see, I go help you. They wash clothes. Anytime where you want wash clothes, call me.
Chai.
You know, sir, I love you.
You dey Chris. See better thing we just talk now. You won't come spoil am with this kind of love talk. You must stop this rubbish now. Don't tell you. I know they like am. Now these things they make me know they follow you talk.
I break it down. What thing I can't do now? Amaka, come on, make I tell you something. No, this one why they tell you every time now. Say I love you. I won't marry you. You carry me they play. Madam no go allow you guys I go find husband though. Now maybe the other where you get for here we're gonna take care of you. If you like do this and finish, I go stay marry you. So you better say you follow me now. Make what they do am. I don't tell you finish yo.
Babe, your phone is ringing, oh. Babe! Baby! Hello? Who's this?
Why are you taking my call? Why?
A lady just called you baby over the phone.
So hold on, wait. Since when did you start taking my calls?
Okay, before we get to that part, the person in question just called you baby. And that's a lady.
You didn't answer my question. Since when did you start taking my calls?
Taking your calls is not a bone of contention here. I'm asking why a lady will call you baby.
And now you still haven't answered my question. Since when did you start taking my calls? Oh yes, since when?
Who is Elsie?
Well. You are welcome to my humble abode.
Thank you. Nice place is good.
Already?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
What is going on here?
Wait. Don't tell me you're still mopping.
Yes, I'm still mopping because I had other chores to do. I just finished inside the kitchen and then decided to come.
I understand that you're just being too lazy. Oh yes.
It's not about me being lazy.
You're just being too lazy. But that's fine, that's okay. Meet Elsie. Elsie, this is the woman I told you about.
Hi.
She just said hi to you. I said she just said hi to you.
And what exactly am I supposed to say to her in return?
Are you not supposed to say hello? Oh yes. Anyways, here's a car key. I want you to go to the car, pick up her box, bring it to my room. Yes.
Wait, let me understand what is going on. I should bring her box to our room.
But you heard me right. Now you have this. All right, I'm waiting.
Young woman, what exactly are you doing in my husband's house? Did he not tell you that he is a married man?
He didn't tell me that.
Oh, now you know. So you are going to get your little gutter-infested self out of my husband's house this minute.
If there is anybody to leave, that should be you.
Okay. Because I did speak English since. Okay. My husband not tell you say I know well. No, my husband not tell you say I know well. Are you mad? Eh? Ah! Are you crazy? Ferdinand, what? Eh? Are you mad? Eh?
Stella!
What is it?
What do you think you're doing? Are you mad?
What does it look like I'm doing?
How dare you touch my girl? Are you mad?
No, girl.
Are you stupid? Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you crazy? Are you mad? Don't even do that again. Are you mad? Are you stupid?
My eyes! Oh, my eyes!
I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
Yeah, my man.
He stepped out. He's very okay. No. There's no issues. Yeah. I'm okay. I'm having fun. He's really trying. Thank you. There's nothing she can do. I'm here to have fun and there's nothing she can do. Yeah. Okay. Alright.
Hey, who are you?
Joanna, what are you doing here? Eh? What did you do here? You not tell me say you dey.
Fixes. You know Ferdinand has asked you not to come here without his permission. What did you do here?
What did you do your face? Oh, wait.
What did this? No, you see, it's nothing. Nothing happened. You hear me? But I need you to leave this place now.
Fixes, wait. Don't answer me now. Wait and do your face. Wait. In they beat you. That man they beat you.
What in the world is speaking? Beat me where? Eh? You don't know say my husband love me too much. You try and be person will never raise a hand for my body before. I fall for bathroom. Joanna, I say you need to go. Oh yeah.
This is. See your face now. What in this?
So you're Joanna.
Who be this one?
See, you don't need to answer. You hear me? I need you to leave this place this minute. They go before Ferdinand.
No. Answer her. She asked you a question.
What is wrong with you? Am I talking to you? What did he do you? You don't mind her. Sometimes she takes drugs, so it affects her head so much. Yeah.
Answer her.
It is who she be now.
I'm just going to tell her who you are because I want her to go. She's Ferdinand's friend.
I am Ferdinand's wife to be. Yes.
Hi.
What is going on here? You. And what are you doing here? Huh? You have the gut to come to my house without my permission?
Not just that though. She has been insulting me since she stepped her foot in this house. She even wanted to beat me up. Where did you get them from? That is a fat lie from the pit of hell. So you are calling me a liar?
Before? Are you not a liar? Wait oh, come on. And because I dey come with you. You dey mad. Jesus. Joanna! Let my sister alone.
Joanna. Hey, Joanna. Hey. How are you? You sure you are fine? Hope they didn't touch you, they didn't do anything to you. Eh?
It's okay.
It's not okay now, eh? I don't dey worried since yesterday. Eh? Welcome, eh? Welcome. Sit down. You dey laugh me, you know as I dey since yesterday, eh?
Sis, make you relax now. I don't come back.
Oh yeah, come sit down, You don't chop? Eh? Did you buy anything for her? You want water? I make soup.
Sis, it's okay. I'm fine.
It's okay, at least she's fine.
Hey. You sure say you dey fine, abi?
Faces. I beg. I feel beg una for something.
What could
What's
that
in
be?
with that? Beg. Make una no remind me of anything concerning school again. I take God beg una. Anything concerning school. I beg. I don't want to hear am again. I beg. Joanna.
Hello, Daniel. Yes, so we thank God we are doing fine. She's here. Ah! You have gotten a job already. This is wonderful. Come on, no now. I am your brother. You are my responsibility. Anything I did it for the love of the family. I understand. We can't wait to see you too. We can't wait to see you. Okay now, Odoma.
What did he say?
Daniel just informed me that he has gotten a job in a very big hospital in Abuja.
Wow! Daniel is not a medical doctor.
I'm telling you.
Hey!
He's now working in the hospital.
Thank you. Hey! Brother. Hey! Hey!
This is good news. God is really wonderful. At last.
I wish our parents.
Don't worry, you are next.
Oh.
You are next.
Oh.
Please get me my other phone.
Okay.
Hey! Danito! Hey!
Oh God, I'm so tired. I'm very, very tired. And I just pray that the labor market favors us. And again, I want us to get a very good job as we are done with school.
Of course, we are going to have a good job. But that is not even why I'm worried now.
So
You
why
understand?
you worried? Yeah.
I can't just wait to get home to see my parents' reaction. See me on this NYC uniform.
Wow. Me too, because my mom is going to carry me up.
Oh, babe, I'm so thirsty. Where is pure water?
Me too.
Yes. Oh, pure water. Okay. Oh.
Hey! Bill. Erika. Now they see like this.
Yes.
Hey, you don't want buy water. Hey, see as una fine. Compassion.
Hey, what is that? Are you crazy? Wait, you wanted to touch my uniform?
Mirabel, which kind of pattern be this one now? What's it with this?
Waiting be this what? Please give us water that we called you for. What's all this nonsense? Give us water.
Yeah.
Abi, you're not ready to sell again? Don't want to sell again?
Take water now.
Give me. Let's go, Joe.
Where they go?
What is that?
Where's my money?
Which money?
Which money?
See, una dey crazy. Una dey mad. Don't give me my money, Joe. You dey crazy.
Wait.
See this one, no?
Wait. You expect me to pay you after wasting my time here? With your useless pleasantries?
Come, Mirabel, I beg, I no dey for this one. I don't tire like this. Since morning, I don't dey sell this pure water. I beg, give me my money, ma, they go.
I'm not paying you a dime. Let me see what.
What do you want to do?
See.
Are you mad?
Come.
What is that? Leave me alone. Come on, give my money.
I'll break this in coil. I go break am.
I'll blow this on your hand. Give my money now. Get mad.
I have your 15 naira. Okay, let me give you your 15
Please,
naira.
please, give her.
Idiot.
That's the only thing you know how to do.
Take. Give me.
You're such a nuisance.
I swear. I know you're jealous of me.
You know how I suffer take rich here.
That's the only thing you know how to
Let's
do.
go and leave this useless girl.
My hand.
See, you will never wear this uniform.
And
You will never be a
remain
graduate.
an illiterate all the days of your life.
Exactly.
You'll see it.
Amen.
Nonsense.
Joanna, 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 Joanna. child of destiny. Joanna, Joanna.
And still awaiting. Are you trying to tell me that Joanna traveled?
My brother and so we see her mom. She traveled. She traveled this morning.
Joanna traveled without even telling me.
Now what for you, those? Now you they talk this kind of thing. You don't know Joanna again. You know say she know they like to bother person. If she tell you now say she dey go city, even if you no get money, now so you go they run around, they look for everywhere to find money to give her make she take travel. She no won't bother you now. Why she no tell you?
But why did she travel?
She went to look for a job. Oh.
A job?
Joanna, Joanna.
Yes, a job.
Joanna, Joanna. Joanna, Joanna. Joanna, Joanna. Joanna, Joanna. Joanna, Joanna. You are healing in your. You are a gifted child, a blessing from above. You are a treasure to the nation. Joanna, Joanna. You are a blessing to your family. Everyone you touch gets healed. Joanna, Joanna. Joanna, Joanna. Joanna, Joanna. Joanna, Joanna. Yeah. Joanna, Joanna. Joanna, Joanna. Joanna, Joanna. Joanna,
Nne. Who you find for it?
Okay, my name is Joanna. Please, I dey look for a job. I don't know whether your oga or your madam will give work for me. What I do, I beg.
Ha! What you work for here? My oga and my madam get person where they work for them already. So you know if you work, but that company where they for there. It be like say you get there where they find worker. Go there.
See, I don't try everywhere like this. I don't tire, I beg. I beg. Since your oga and madam get one house, if you make am two, I beg.
How? So now one time my oga wetin you go do? I mean, you won't use your hand to pay yourself the salary. I they tell you something where you go do, you see there here, they talk another thing. Just go down for here. If they know they waka go like this, plenty people they look for people where they clean their compound, where they do some things for them. You know there for here, only just go down small. They go employ you. Eh? Come on. But this Amaka, the work which she do for this house too heavy for her. She go need person where go to help her more. Because house help go need person where still they help her. So she feel they sleep on time. Joanna, come. I go help you.
Hey, Jesus, thank you.
Never to thank me. Oh. I never even do the thing. See, I dey think say the house help where we will get for here need help. Because the girl they suffer well. And that make me say, make I call you. You go there for here. Make I go inside. Meet my oga. Tell her say person there we won't see him. Make I know how I go to do it for you.
Thank you.
I say make you never dey thank me first. Make I come. I dey come. Make I talk to my oga. Whether you go feed do am. No, they smile. I dey come. Good day, sir. Mommy, good afternoon.
Good evening, Amos.
You get one girl wait there for gate. She say her name na Joanna. She said she wants to see you, sir.
Joanna?
Yes, sir.
What does she want?
Madam, I don't know.
You must let her in.
Okay.
Struggles and hardships, trying to kill your dreams. Joanna, you are feeling your ways. I bless into the world. A treasure from above. Joanna, Joanna, Joanna,
We're gonna ship it is.
Love you, sir. Love you.
Listen.
Wait. Are you not the same girl that approached us outside the supermarket 1 hour ago? Wait. Babe. Are you following us?
No, ma.
Will you shut your mouth?
Can you just calm down, please? Just calm down. Alright? Babe, I don't think this is a mere coincidence. Isn't it obvious that God wants us to help her? Don't you think so?
Babe, this is not about God. You see this girl here? She's stalking us.
No, ma.
I'm not stalking you, ma. Please. Ma, I've been going from one gate to another, and this is the only house I've been to that they let me in. Please.
Can you imagine?
The gods.
Wait, hold on. Are you done with school?
No, ma.
Instead of you to think of ways of going back to school, you're knocking on people's houses. Well, I'm sorry to inform you that we don't have any job for you.
Mom, please. Please, Mom.
Desmond,
please.
I can handle this.
Mom, please. Please.
See, your mission in this house has failed. So get out.
Please. I don't have any mission here. I'm just looking for a job so I can further my education, ma.
Very funny.
Very funny indeed.
Now let me ask you. If we decide to give you a job, how do you intend to manage going to school and at the same time working? How do you want to cope? Who would even want to give you a job while you're working and schooling in this house? That's not possible. How do you want to manage that?
I'll be saving up my salary so I can further my education.
Okay, you will save up your salary. And when you're done saving, what will you do? You'll quit your job? When you save enough, right?
Yes, ma.
Babe. Yeah, she'll quit her job.
Yeah.
What did you just say?
I said, yeah. She already got a job.
What?
Joanne.
Yes, sir.
It's okay. You have the job.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
I already have a housekeeper, alright? So from now on, you'll be assisting the housekeeper.
Jesus, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. You're welcome. It's alright.
What are you doing?
Mom, please.
What is wrong with you?
Mom, please.
Amaka?
Yes, sir.
So, Amaka, this is Joanna. She's a new household, right? She'll be assisting you from now on. So take her to the guest room.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Babe, this is the height of disrespect. How can you insult me?
I did not insult you. Can you just calm down? Come on, this is my house. I have made my decision. Alright?
Desmond, what is wrong with you?
Huh? Excuse me.
Desmond! Mommy, can you imagine?
Joanna, what happened now? Your sister has been so worried.
Hi, Tosi, I beg. She did, yeah? I beg, ma talk to her.
No, I just left your place not quite long.
I beg, no vex. My battery, this battery ready for this phone. It's not strong at all. Does I beg no vex, I no even tell you say I dey go Delta.
So, have you gotten a place to stay? Huh? I said, have you gotten a place to stay? If you have not, just look for just sort yourself out today. Daniel is coming to Delta State tomorrow, and maybe he can help you look for a place.
Okay, no, I don't get where I go stay. I don't even charge the phone self. I don't get where I go stay.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Okay.
I'm heading back there now.
Okay, I beg. I really need to talk to him, I beg. Thank you. You dey go there now, she? Okay, oh Allah, thank you.
Okay.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. So you started working already?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday I forgot to ask you about your family, if you have any.
Okay, I have just one sister and we are orphans.
Oh, sorry about that.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay. What's your name again?
I'm Joanna, sir.
Joanna.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I spoke to one of my friends. He owns a school, so I told him to give me every necessary details needed to enroll you in school. Right, so that will be fine.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Jesus.
It's okay, Joanna. We are going to train you to any level of education you want to. I mean, any way you want. And we'll still be paying your salary. So get ready. Next week, Monday, you're starting.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Jesus. Just like that. Big sis, I don't know. See, I compare this now. I want to you. This will get me.
Hello, Joanna. Good afternoon. No, now you for flash me now. You for flash me. See this girl. I complained to you of credit. Even my other phone credit today inside. I beg, talk to your big sis, Joe.
Joa.
Hello, big sis.
How are you?
I did fine. How you doing now?
Now when I don't hear your voice, my mind don't calm down. I did fine.
Hey, Mrs. Miss, I miss you. I miss you like this.
Yeah. Hey, say you miss me is an understatement. Me, I miss you more. I beg. Hey, hope so they know they treat you bad for that place. So.
No. Hey, I even gave good news for you like this.
Good news? Talk.
This is, you know what, they go back school.
Hey! Joanna, you know say you dey play too much.
I dey go back school, big sis.
I hope this is not a joke. No carry this kind of thing play with me.
You know what, my oga even talk say he go sponsor my education. Still they pay me my salary.
You dey serious?
Big sis, I know they play. I dey go back school.
Hey! Thank God though. You see that your boss. God will bless him. God will replenish his pockets.
Amen.
He will never see sorrow.
Amen.
Hey! Joanna, help me say thank you to him. Tell him say your senior sister, they say, if to say I did there now, I forgot to remove all my clothes. Like that for grand, they tell him thank you.
I don't already thank him, but I will tell him say you dey thank him too.
Thank him very well, oh. And take good care of yourself, you hear me?
You know what, big sis, I go continue what they do. We will not come finish today credit. I beg, help me tell him the good news, I beg.
Oh yeah, now we will talk later.
Okay, no wahala. Bye-bye. Alright, bye.
Hey!
Wetin be that?
I said they shout, hey, you go, they follow me, they shout.
Hey!
Joanna say, her oga say he go send her back to school.
Hey!
She dey go back to school.
Hey!
Just like that. Hey! Go inside, go bring coke, make we dey celebrate.
This God
go cocoa, mortuary standard. You dey hear me? Hey! Or you fit even bring one crate, come, make I dey chop biscuits, they wait for you. Here they open.
Good morning, ma. I don't want you to give my food to that idiot again.
Ma? Which idiot?
I am referring to Joanna.
Sorry, ma. What happened? What's the problem?
What right do you have to question me? Huh?
Nothing, sorry.
No, what right do you have to question my orders?
Sorry.
If you dare try this the next time, you will lose your job. It's a promise. Fix the breakfast and take it to mom.
Okay. Wow. Wetin Joanna come do this woman? Eh? Wetin come happen now? This one, maybe she just wake up on the wrong side now. So she did. She don't wake up and so bad things. Maybe just the point from
School girl! Welcome, father.
How you fine?
Thank you.
Hey.
My
Your
fine
shoes don dey shine. I think you no go school no.
How far?
I know. That's cool.
School dey fine no more. I make new friends.
So you like the school?
You better pass get to school.
Since you don't get to, they go they fight.
No, they fight, but now when you find person trouble, then they fight. So yeah. I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry. Seriously, I won't choke. I beg. Waiting. Waiting now. Waiting happen.
I don't know how you want to take this thing now. Madam say make I need to give you food.
Why?
I don't know. That woman, but no worry, no fear. From my food, I go to share them. I will carry part like they keep for your room.
What I do that woman? Why the woman hate me?
I don't know. She say if I serve you food, say she go sack me. I just think I say no, I know if you just do like this, you no go chop. No say I carry you for mind.
Wait till I do that woman. You give me till I don't do that woman. Why she can't hate me like that now? So you all come dey share food with me. Waiting you will come dey chop. So you no go dey belleful like this. Don't worry.
That one no be problem now. And this kind thing sef, if you say you want tell Oga now, I for like make you tell Oga.
I beg. You see this thing wey you just talk now, no talk am. I no want problem between abeg. I no want that thing.
Why?
Just leave am. You see money wey Oga dey give me, that salary they give me. I know say I dey give half to my sister, but I go dey manage and I go know I go take sort myself. No worry. I no want come dey chop your food. How? No. That's small food wey she dey give me.
Because she say she won't sack me now. Why? If not, I for the sneak in, they bring food for you now. My boy, I go dey share my own. Yeah? No problem. I will bring food for you now. Just go your room. Go wait for me.
Okay, no worry.
Thank you.
I get.
Wait, Amaka. So, this woman mean that when she talk?
She mean am.
This that woman wicked though.
I dey tell you. They play.
So, how this girl now want to survive without food for here? And Oga no know about them. It be like I go tell Oga.
Now be the thing. I don't tell her me she tell Oga, but she no agree. But as it be so, now me go use my hand there. I go tell Oga everything. Now me go use my mouth tell her. Because I don't tell her she no agree. I go tell her.
I don't understand this kind of thing.
Do it and lose your job. Fool. Fool! Idiot! I thought you were supposed to be washing my clothes.
Yes, ma. Sorry. Yes, I'll wash it later. Sorry.
Oh, you wash it at your own time. When you know it will not dry. Instead of you to be washing my clothes, you're here gossiping with this foolish idiot. And you. It is bad enough that you are an ordinary gatesman. Now you are adding gossip to your feathers. You are a fool. A big disappointment to your whole generation. Idiot. Fool. Mumu. What are you still doing? Is that the gate?
Sorry.
Come on, get out. Foolish idiot. Come on, go and wash my clothes. Fool. Idiot. Gossip. Hi, son.
Hi, Mom. How are you?
You're welcome.
How was the day?
It was fine. And yours?
Hello. Yes.
Good day, Mom.
Good day. My friend, come here. Why did you not make up my room before leaving?
No, ma. You were still sleeping when I swept and mopped.
Really? And my bed?
Oh, I begged Amaka to help me.
You did what? You did what?
Oh. What is this? What's the meaning of this?
You...
Mom, please, Mom, please. Mom, please do not try this again. Do not do it again. Huh?
Like you're not being paid, right?
Mom, she already said she asked Amaka to assist her. What is wrong in Amaka assisting her? What is wrong with that? Yes, Mom. Please, I beg you in the name of God, do not try this again.
Good morning, ma. Sorry, ma. Jesus.
Don't ever touch me.
Ma, I can fix it, ma.
Get your filthy hands off me.
What is it? What's going on? What is it? Sorry. What happened?
Sir, she slept.
Slept?
So, I believe she dislocated her elbow.
Elbow?
Yes.
Mama, sorry.
Man.
Okay. Mama. Let me just take it.
Don't touch me.
Don't touch her. Don't touch her. Let me take you to the hospital, please.
Sir, I can fix it.
You can fix what?
I can take care of it, sir.
Daddy, don't touch me, oh. Jesus!
You want to kill my mother?
Jesus!
Eh? What is it?
Hold on.
Mama?
Take me up.
Oh, come. What is it?
Chimo.
What?
The pain is gone.
Gone?
How? What do you mean, how? She was the one that broke my elbow. Now she has repaired it. She's a witch.
She's a child of destiny, a child of grace.
How did you do that?
Okay, sir, I fix and massage broken bones. It's a gift I was born with. And I'm hoping to become an orthopedic surgeon someday.
Really?
Yes, sir.
great.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, well, you can go back to your studies, okay? I only came to thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
What are you doing, man? I thought you mopped this place in.
Yeah, but it's still looking dusty, so I have to move again.
Okay, I say make I tell you, say, I don't keep your food. It in your room. And go chop before Madam Sophia go catch us. Go.
You don't belly full at all. See, no worry. That granite I've been buying still remain. I go use and sip Gary. Don't worry. No, I'll let you chop food now.
I complain. I don't complain give you before. Let me use my hand give you, so leave them. Leave this thing and go mop up. Yeah?
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. The both of you, what have you been hiding from me?
Nothing, sir. Nothing.
Amaka,
Sir.
what have you been hiding from me?
Sir, it's your wife. She ordered me to stop giving Joanna food. She even volunteered to be sharing every meal that I cook so that Joanna will not eat.
What?
And there will be nothing left in the food though. I will not have to share my own with her.
And why didn't you tell me all this while?
Sir, I don't want you to have problems with your wife. That's why I didn't tell you, sir.
Don't want me to have problem with my wife? Huh? So what if Amaka wasn't kind enough to be sharing her food with you? What would you have done? Be drinking Gary in my house? Huh? Amaka, for how long has this been happening?
For a week now, sir.
A week? A week? A week in my house?
Sir. Why did you tell him now? He asked. You would have said something else. Anything. Do you know what this thing?
No, the verse, calm down. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. No, God in charge. Relax.
No, what still beats my imagination is how she was able to do that.
That girl is a witch. Like,
it's obvious.
Oh, Sophia, how could you? How could you? I'm asking you, how could you? How could you be so wicked?
What is it?
What are you talking
I don't understand.
about?
What?
Mom, did you know that Joanna has not eaten in this house for 1 week? She decided to starve her. She's starving Joanna in my own house. Why?
Maybe she's under some kind of punishment or something.
Something? Punishment? No! Mom, how could you say this? Oh, now I see.
It's possible.
I knew you were going to support her. I knew I wasn't expecting anything else. I knew you were going to support her. Now I know why I don't have children. Now I know why you've not seen your grandchildren. Because how would you feel if someone treats your own grandchild this way?
Babe.
Will you just shut up and listen to me? Listen to me and listen good. The next time you try this in my house, that will be your last day in this house. Don't.
Can you imagine? No. Tesman had to yell at me because of that local. Because of that brat, that useless girl.
Just hold on. Joanna!
Oh, wow.
Joanna! What?
Yes, ma.
You wanted me to call you like 10 times before you answer, right?
Sorry, ma.
You and I were doing movie.
Sorry, ma.
You're evil. You see you're a very wicked girl.
Very wicked girl.
Evil! You're young but very evil. Wait. You wanted to destroy my son's marriage. Know what? So I'm now a liar. I'm lying.
Even
Is that what you're saying? See, let me tell you. For the fact that you even did me a favor earlier today by fixing my elbow is a bad strategy for you. It will not save you. You will leave this house. You cannot come in and destroy my son's home. All in the name of education. He wants to help you. Then you want to spoil everything he has built. It is a lie. Listen to me. If I close my eyes and open them and you're still here, God will punish you.
God will punish you.
It is God that will punish you. You. Small girl like you. If I close my eyes and open them and you're still here, I will hit your head.
Get out! Get out of this place! Get out!
Just calm down.
Oh, mommy.
No. Just calm down. Calm down. Okay? Calm down. It's that girl is not worth it. It's okay.
Baby, I'm sorry, Mom. Baby, please, I'm sorry now. I was only trying to discipline her.
Trying to discipline what? Trying to discipline her by starving her for weeks? Is that what you call discipline? What if she died? What if Amaka wasn't kind enough to share her food with her? What would have happened to her? You call it discipline? Knowing fully what we're looking for a child. We're looking for children, our own children. So you should be kind enough to be nice to other children.
Okay, now I take the blame. I'm sorry. I promise this won't happen again now, please. Baby, I'm sorry.
Fine. It's okay, but this should just be the last.
I promise it won't happen again. Sorry now.
It's okay.
No, I'm sorry.
I said I've heard you. You want me to go naked for you?
Sorry now.
My queen.
I'm watching this program I love so much.
Oh, okay. Wait though, Sophia.
Mom?
You know you amaze me.
How?
Your sudden change towards that Joanna girl. You're now showing her a lot of kindness and all that. You even allow her eat on the dining with us. I'm shocked.
Mommy, I knew you were going to ask me. Because I saw the looks you gave to me while we were at the dining. Well, I'll tell you. Initially, when that Joanna girl came to the house, her presence irritated me. Like I despised that girl with so much passion. But then again, I gave it a second thought. I'm expecting something from God. And if I keep fighting someone's child, would God bless me? Yes. So I just said there is no need to fight. There's no need to hate on her. Let me just let her be. And so that was how the change of mind came in.
That's nice. That's very nice.
Thank you, Ma. So, you don't want to see something?
All these films, they make me sleep.
You love this one, honestly. Let me increase the volume.
So this woman don't change like this? Eh? At the mention of, I will kick you out of my house, Madam change. Chai! You get luck. God just do this one for you. Eh? Before you know now, Oga Mama go just full and change. Everything go just better. Eh? Everything go just sweet. Joanna. Joanna! What do you think?
Uncle, abeg no vex. See, I dey think say Madam Sophia dey pretend. That woman get plan.
Which kind talk be that one? I dey tell you say person don't change. She don't change.
Amaka, open your eyes now. You blind? See, that woman dey pretend. I know it's how they talk. Which kind sudden kindness be that one? That woman dey pretend.
Ha! Who tell you say she dey pretend? Eh? Maybe now why you no listen when I tell you say she dey fear make Oga no kick her out of this house. Maybe now why she change? She don't change.
Now why I say she dey pretend? Now why I say she dey pretend? The kindness too sudden, you know they see her. Ha! God, God I beg oh. I no get where to go like this. God I beg. Please Lord. Don't let her succeed in anything she's planning, whatever plans she has. Don't let her succeed. Because as I did like this, I don't get where to go. I don't get hope.
Person don't change, you they think things.
That thing. I know it's how they talk. I know it's how they talk.
I bet they think positive.
Leave her.
She's a child of destiny, a child of grace, whose hands are blessed.
Yes! What is making the queen so happy?
Mama, I want you to guess.
You need to tell me. I don't know how to guess.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Jesus.
Yes, Jesus.
You're pregnant.
Yes, I am pregnant.
Oh my God. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So you're going to make me a grandma.
You are a grandma already.
Thank you.
Thank you for your prayers. Thank you for your love.
Son?
So what's going on here? And what's going on here?
Well, tell him. Should I?
I don't understand. What is going on?
Go ahead.
Baby,
Yeah.
I am carrying your baby.
You what?
Finally, I am going to be a grandmother.
Yes, I'm carrying your child.
Shut up.
Let's say madam don't carry belle finally.
I dey tell you.
Hey! Maybe say while I don't do, we need to start praying. We'll go start to pray now.
Pray for waiting.
Now you dey talk this thing. Let she for not go born winch. We will come dey wicked like her.
Amos, I don't tell you see madam don't change now. She don't change.
Who? Change? Madam change?
Eh?
Oh yeah, now make we the watch. As they go now, make you say this small kindness where she dey show now, where she dey do whether you go last. As she don't get belle so. Now everything where she talk, now Oga go dey do. Oga no send anybody again.
Who tell you? You sure? Eh? Oga when they like woman to control her. I'm not sure.
Sure wetin? Oh yeah, make we dey watch now.
It no go happen.
Shebi we dey the house. We dey this house now. You go carry your eyes see am. See say na wetin I tell you now it go happen. You don't hold Oga for here. Oga no fit do anything again.
Wow. Abeg, make I dey go, yeah?
Wait, see. If you dey come outside again, make sure say you bring food though. I beg you.
I don't understand. You never took the one give you food. Which one you dey ask for?
No be na shit finish come out.
Jesus, Amos. Nana, what give you food? You don't chop everything.
Oh, you dey talk about it one way you bring now. It is all this gossip wey dey gossip here and a small thing. You know say gossip dey chop food for person body. All this long gossip wey dey talk for here, so you know say all the thing wey give me don't come out.
Who are you the gossip? Now this thing be gossip.
See.
Small info what just giving now they come.
Now see God, no be gossip. Make sure say you bring food though. As they come, no be just to drag person now come here. Say we dey gossip. Person go gossip from morning till night. You just bring one food. You know say gossip now, energy they do am. Eh? Okay, she don't deceive you now. They buy you small things now. It isn't as so life be. You go hear them. No problem.
I think I like this one. I like it. Is it? You don't like
How
it?
much is it?
Okay, this one. I don't know. I thought. Yeah. Okay, 300 or so. Yes, 300, 350. You want to put it?
No. I was just looking at you.
You just said no like that. Please, sir.
Yeah,
Joanna. Yes, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Hardworking Joanna. You know you're hardworking, right? I overheard you tell Amaka that you want to go and buy sanitary pad.
Oh, yes, ma.
So while I overheard your conversation, I was actually prepping to go to the supermarket to get stuff for myself. So I bought you 4 sanitary pads.
Oh, thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Why are you giving me that look?
Same.
It's fine, darling. Don't mention it. That reminds me. I didn't give you the pad. Okay, so you go to my room, you see a pink bag. The pad is there, get it.
Thank you, ma. Thank you so much, ma.
You're welcome. Hardworking girl. Keep being a good girl, oh. Work very hard so you can make it in life. Why are you giving me that look?
Nothing.
It's fine. I want this one.
To make it come, you know.
I want to come. Yeah.
Are you still awake?
Yes, babe. This is what gets it.
And what are you looking for?
You see, it's a problem. I'm looking for the baby's clothes that I bought. I kept it there and I cannot find it.
Are you sure you came back to this house with the clothes or you left it at the boutique?
Babe, I remember very well. I came back with the clothes and I kept it here.
Okay, fine. We'll look for it in the morning. Okay? I'll join you and look for it, but for now, you need to sleep.
No, baby, that's the finest clothes among all the clothes that I got.
Fine. I said, okay, fine. Look, let me make you a promise. If we don't see it tomorrow, I'll read.
I'm like...
Just come. Okay.
I won't come to the house to carry my clothes now.
Joanna, my wife picked this your book in my room.
Your room?
Yes. I am sure you were cleaning and at the same time reading.
Oh.
I know you.
You know Joanna is always a workaholic. Look at your tie. Fix it properly, okay?
Babe, let me help you now. So fix. No, don't stress. Let me just help. Jesus Christ. Joanne.
What, ma?
Jesus.
Joanna, what is this?
Baby, this is my baby's clothes that I told you got missing.
I don't know how this got into my bag.
Will you shut up?
Jesus. I don't know.
Shut up! What are you doing with this? What are you doing with this? I'm asking you, you're doing
She's
Jesus.
screaming all
Got into
about.
my bag. What? Mommy.
What is it?
Mommy. Look at my baby's clothes that I told you I was looking for. I found it in Joanne's bag, tagged with the red rope.
Oh, drop it! Drop it!
Joanne, what have I done to you?
I know it got into my bag, ma.
I told you that this girl is up to something that is not good.
No, ma.
But you wouldn't listen to me. Eh? Now look at it.
No, sir.
Look at it.
Come on, carry this thing.
Jesus.
Where's this? Come back. Come on, carry this thing.
Come here.
Ah!
This girl is a witch. Come out before they will say my son has killed you. Come out.
Oh, I'll carry that thing from that place. Go and carry it. Ah! What have I done to you, Joanne?
White witch. Take it.
What did I do to you?
Go and pack your things.
Go inside. Come on, stand up, Papa.
Go and
Go
and pack your things. I will beat you. I will beat you. I will beat. Come on, go and pack. Witch.
Little witch. Witch! I said get out of my house.
Go. Get out.
Out. Get out. Get out of my house. Out. Get out. Out. Get out. Idiot. Come on, get out. Witch.
I'm innocent.
I know, Dua.
I know say you dey innocent, eh? Which kind of thing come be this one? You dey cry. See, you need to be strong. Don't be weak. And remember, God dey by your side, eh? God go come through.
Amaka, when God won't come through. You know when I take reach here. You know how I take reach here, Amaka. Which kind of thing be this one?
And now I understand that the way you talk, say, this mother Sophia kindness, say, get how it be. Now you don't see him now.
Oh my God.
And now I understand. Sorry, see how you don't cry. Clean your tears now. No dey.
You're still here. Eh? You're still in this compound, right? Idiot! Fool! Emma's open that gate and make sure she never returns back to this compound. God revealed your plans before time. You think you can trick us? Idiot!
What are you still doing here, Joanna?
Sir, please. I didn't do it. Sir, all my life, you're the only man who has treated me like his biological child. Why would I want to hurt a child you've been praying to have? Sir, I have never told you the main reason I came to the city in search of a job. Sir, there was no hope to go back to school. I summoned courage to go back to school when 2 coppers made fun of me. One said I will never wear the NYC uniform. The other said I will never be a graduate. So all I wanted to do was to prove them wrong. Why would I want to hurt a man who wants to see me through school? Sir, please. I have never, ever thought of hurting you and your family. Even if you don't want to take me back, I will always remain grateful to you, sir. Thank you.
She's a child of destiny, a child of
Thank you for the support, mommy. Thank you so much.
Collective. Desmond, what's the meaning of this? Why did you bring her back?
Mom, you and I know she's innocent. What has she done wrong? She did nothing wrong. At the point Sophia was beginning to like her. At the point she was liking her. But you never did. You never liked her. What did she do wrong to you? What? What has she done?
What are you talking about? What did I do? No, tell me. What did I do?
No, you did nothing wrong. Yeah, you did nothing wrong. It is obvious that stuff was fake. Fake. I didn't know what I was thinking at that point. But you see, this girl, she's innocent. Come with me.
Hey, mommy. We're just here jubilating that we've won this battle.
This is black magic.
Hey!
Oh, dear Lord. Dear Lord. Please, fight this battle for me. Deliver my son from this charm.
My husband. Save my husband from this wicked girl.
She has turned him against you and I.
Mommy! Broad daylight witch.
Hey! God, please, oh.
She's a child of destiny, a child of grace, whose hands are blessed.
Jojo, what really happened?
I swear that grace, oh. Grace. God's grace.
Jojo, what happened? Just tell me. What happened? Tell us now.
I begged Oga. I gave him reasons I can't hurt his unborn child. And as God may have it, he believed me.
He believed you?
Just like that.
Just like that?
Just like that? You see, I tell you say God go fight for you. I tell you say God go do am for you.
And God no even waste time. It's just one sharp.
I see.
This one sweets me, Dad.
You know, say, I been still there outside. I dey wait for Oga. I say anyhow, if Oga no accept me, I go one house where one pastor wey been dey see me for street. That time when I come newly, get one pastor wey see me, wey say he go help me, carry me go one house like that. As we reach there, though, we no see the man.
So, wait, you mean say we gonna go there? We no see anybody? I be get man no there, we go open gate for your beauty.
Get man wey no even dey. As we go there, we open gate, enter man house. Now so the man dog pursue us. Be like say the pastor been done run marathon before because I turn like this, he don't go. I saw me to follow.
This is no funny. So this guy house now where you go around this guy marathon so now you still want to go back again?
Obi no dey now. How you want to do? Obi no dey. We just dey think.
Joanna, this one sweets me. Say you come back. Welcome back.
Me say I still dey shock like this. I never believe it. I still come back.
You don't call your sister?
No. She called me when I was waiting for Oga, but I couldn't pick. But I was about to call before you dragged me outside.
Okay, you say I'm happy to see you. I go call her. Welcome,
Come on, get out.
I'll be all Diego. What are you doing? Why are you doing like this now?
Oh, Diego, please. You be all Diego, you know you won't touch.
Now, wow.
A child of grace, whose hands are blessed, so blessed they can heal broken bones.
No, baby, I am not fine. That useless girl, Joanna, is back to the house. Desmond brought her back. I don't know. Look, babe, as long as that girl is in this house, our mission here will never be accomplished. I and that girl, I think we're here on the same purpose. You see that girl? You see that girl? She's small but mighty. She's dangerous. See, babe, I'm beginning to believe that that girl uses charm on Desmond. Because what did she say to him that he had to bring her back to the house? See, I cannot leave because I've not made enough money. I just made 30 million naira and you're using it already. Babe, I need to make more money. Okay. Okay. It's fine, okay. No problem. Thank you. It's fine. Okay. Bye.
Udema. Udema.
What's this girl doing here? Does it mean she was listening to my conversation? If that is the case, I will skin her alive.
She's a child of destiny, a child of grace, whose hands are blessed, so blessed they can heal broken bones. She has come in search of a job. She has come.
Hello, Mama. Mama, calm down now. Why did you cry? Jesus! Accident! How now? Eh? Okay, which hospital? You say, wetin doctor talk say do am? Internal bleeding. Hey. Okay, Mama. May they start the surgery now. May they start the 600,000. Where I want from see the money now? The money too much, oh. Eh? Okay, but maybe the doctor they do something I don't understand though. He say make a deposit 600,000. Mama, where I want from see the money from now, eh? Okay, may they just sorry now. I'll call you back. Yeah, ma find the money.
Amaka. Mama. Morning. What is it? Why are you crying?
My sister. My mother just called me that she had an accident. And she has internal bleeding.
Oh.
And she wants to undergo surgery.
This is serious, oh. Accident?
Yes.
So sorry. Hope they've commenced treatment on her.
No, ma.
Why?
The doctor said they need 600,000 naira to undergo the surgery.
600,000? That is a lot of money. How do you people intend to raise that?
I don't know, ma. Please, I beg you. I beg you in the name of God, please. Help me. Help me with this 600,000. You can even tell Oga to deduct, my monthly salary small. I will accept
You
it.
must be out of your mind.
Please, ma. Please. Ma, I beg you in the name of God, please.
Stop. It's okay. Don't cry again, okay?
Okay.
Wipe your tears. I will help you with the money.
Oh, Jesus, ma, thank you so much. God bless you.
It's okay. Everything you people just call Jesus. So easy to call. I will help you with the money, but on one condition.
Condition, ma.
Let me tell you.
Jesus!
What is this?
Go for it. I cannot do that.
Okay, you cannot do that.
I cannot.
It's fine, no problem. Since you cannot do that, then go ahead now. The destiny of your sister is in your hands. If she dies, you're the one that killed her.
No, ma, please. I need your help. But I cannot do what you're asking me to do. I'll ask Oga. I'll find another way.
I rebuke you. Amaka, I rebuke you for coming close to my husband. If you dare, I will just go ahead and tell him, honey, do you know that Amaka is evil? I overheard her on the phone trying to plan with the doctor to lie that her sister is sick. So you see, my husband will believe me over you. Deal or no deal? Amaka, when you're ready, you know where to find me.
Jesus. Hey!
Yeah, Sophia, darling. Yeah, what up? How you doing? I'm fine, great. Yeah, I wanted to ask your husband. How is your husband? Really? Okay. Yeah, no, I know. Your cousin, right? I'm asking your cousin, right? I know. It's alright. Don't worry, I will come. I will make it up for you. Yeah, it has been a while. I can't wait to see your beautiful face. And your charming smile, of course. Alright, love you. Yeah, see you soon.
Mom, but I thought you forgiven me.
Well, you still believe that I did it.
I said I'm sorry, and I believe you now.
I'm glad.
Mama, please forgive me.
Oh. It's because of you.
Thank you very much.
Oscar, for pleading on behalf of my husband. I forgive you for not attending my wedding ceremony.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you. So when are they bringing you?
Mine is special, of course. What do you want?
This is nice. Very nice.
Finally. Thank you.
Amaka,
Ma.
I hope you did not add too much pepper in the soup.
Actually, Ma, I wasn't the one that prepared Madam's food.
Sorry? If you were not the one, who did then?
Joanna. I wasn't feeling fine, so she insisted on helping me out to cook.
Go and call her.
Okay, Ma.
What?
What?
Are you insinuating she poisoned the food?
Yes.
Mom, no, now don't go this far now.
Desmond, please.
Why are you calling me? I didn't call her. You called me, Ma.
I did. Taste the food.
Oh, Ma, why should I eat her food, Ma?
Why will you not eat the food? After all, you cooked it. Taste it.
Cooked? Yes, Joanna, you helped me out. Tell Madam you cooked.
No, Ma, I did not cook the food. Amaka, what are you saying?
Joanna, why are you lying? Okay, I understand you don't want them to know you assisted me. It's fine. I told them I wasn't feeling fine. The food is there.
Ma, please, I don't know what she's saying. I did not cook the food, Ma.
Joanna.
See, Joanna, it's not a big deal. Okay? You just eat food. Just eat it.
No, Joanna. If you're not the one who cooks the food, who did?
I did not cook the food, Ma. Amaka, I didn't cook the food. Why are you doing this? What are you saying?
I understand you don't want them to know you assisted me. I told them you assisted me. It's fine.
Amaka.
But Joanna, why not just eat the food and save us this whole drama? Alright? Just go ahead.
Just taste it.
Joanna, stop lying. You did.
See, don't make me lose this thing. Don't make me lose it. Eat the food! Eat the damn food!
Eat it!
Eat the food. What's there?
Please, can we just watch for this?
Watch drama.
Like.
Eat. Carry it and eat.
Nice.
Eat.
Maka, what's the meaning of this? Who paid you? What are you talking about?
Both of you just leave here and stop looking nice.
And you people just leave. Let me eat.
Okay. I'm not going to smash it out. I don't feel like it.
So what will you eat now?
She's going to fry me eggs.
Absolutely.
here likes drama.
Oscar, take her to the hospital.
Take her.
Switched off. Wow. Can you imagine? What's that drama for?
I don't understand.
What's that? Yeah, there's no need. This car's taking care of it. It's fine. It's fine.
Hey.
Let me just...
I don't understand.
Ngozi. Joanna is in trouble.
Huh?
Yes.
Trouble? How?
I don't know. There's this feeling I normally have when somebody close to me is in problem. Like, if I get anybody where they around me where they danger now, I dey feel am. And I don't dey call Joanna number since the number get switched off.
Switched off?
Yes, I don't call the number tire. I don't know. I just there's something wrong.
Switched off?
Hey.
Are you really sure?
I know wetin I dey talk. Anytime when I get this feeling, something bad dey happen. I cannot sit down. I no fit sit down. I need to go to the city now. I need to go and look for her.
City?
Yes, now.
It is late already. You can't go to the city today.
I need to go there now. Now.
Auntie Stella, you cannot go there today. Okay, better still. Let us make it tomorrow morning.
Does you know they understand wetin I dey talk? I no go fit sleep until I talk to her. Did they connect?
Switched off.
Hi.
Let's go tomorrow morning.
Hey.
I will personally join you there. Just calm down. Just relax, okay? I understand.
Okay, I dey calm. I dey calm. Shebi I dey calm like this. I dey calm.
But let's make it tomorrow.
What is it?
It's Oscar. He's calling. Hello, Oscar. What?
What is it?
Joanna is dead.
God.
Oscar said she couldn't make it to the hospital. He's carrying her body to the morgue.
Oh my goodness.
God, what was I thinking? I would have just handed her over to the police. What was I thinking? Now I have to go to the police station to give a statement. For what? Huh? Oh, Mama, what am I going to tell the police? What will I tell them happened? Nothing. I mean, we don't even have a proof that she poisoned the food. No proof. So what am I going to tell them?
Mommy, stop.
So even if I believe Amaka, will the police believe Amaka?
Baby, you're fidgeting right now. You're sounding scared and I don't like it.
You don't like what?
Mommy, you're saying that's true. What's true about it? What are you scared? You tell them what happened. You tell them what she did that made you and mommy to suspect her. Tell them what happened today. Explain to them. Just narrate it. Tell them. She even asked Amaka to lie that she's not the one that cooked the food. If you narrate it this way, then there is no cause for alarm. If you say something else, then you land yourself into trouble.
What was I thinking? What was I thinking?
She's making a lot of sense, though.
That's it.
Just tell them what she just said. And there won't be any problem.
You're fidgeting like that. It doesn't make sense.
Desmond.
Please, you push just let me think. Let me think. Please.
What are you thinking about? This is 4 p.m. already and you have not reported to the police station. I hope you know the implication of not making a statement.
Baby, I know that you are scared that they might want to carry out more investigation. Just listen to me. Explain to them exactly how I told you. And trust me, they will not ask further questions.
Alpha.
Switched off.
You mean the number is still switched off?
It's switched off.
Yeah. I hope Joanna is alright. Eh?
No, she'll be fine. She'll be fine. Are
you sure?
She'll be fine. And let me try Daniel's number again.
Try. Eh?
Ah!
What did he say?
Not reachable.
Yeah. What kind of problem is this? That one switched off. This one not reachable. At least this one is not reachable. Don't you think you should keep trying it?
I just hope we are able to meet them so that we can have at least a place to sleep.
Don't worry. We'll get a place to sleep. It's not a problem.
Let's see that address again.
Oh, okay. They put number 1 and they put number 5. Why do they keep numbering houses like that? Huh? Wow. No, see me. Now here. Now number 1. Now the house, now like this. Now him. One. Now here they write number 1. You know? Huh?
Good day, my brother.
Good day, sir.
Who na be and who na they find for here?
Please, is this Mr. What's that Hoga's name again?
Hey God. You know say I no bother to ask her Oga name. The only thing where she they call na my Oga. Which kind of mistake I make like this?
And I've never bothered to ask as well.
You be like say, una no even know what you want. Una come here.
No.
This can't be this one now. Why una come here? They talk like say una know what you want.
Sorry.
The person where we dey find na Joanna.
Huh?
I be the friend and na the big sister.
Wait, you mean Joanna?
Yes.
No tell me say na you be big sis.
Na me. Na me big sis.
Why be this big sis wey they talk every time? Every time big sis. Hey, whoa, na you. Hi. Chai, welcome.
Thank you.
No worry, make I call her.
Okay, she did inside.
Yes,
Thank you. God bless you.
Una come from this end.
From village.
Hey, whoa.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, Mama. Huh? No! 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 Oh, Jesus! 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 God, I begged you! I begged you! God, God, I beg you! I begged you! I begged you! I said, don't take my sister's life! I said, don't take my sister's life! Oh.
Did you say Joanna's sister?
Yes, madam.
Let him in.
Okay, sir.
What are we going to do?
Baby, say something.
Desmond.
Stella.
Desmond.
Do you know him?
Stella, I can't believe this.
You know if you believe waiting. You don't believe say I go still dey alive, Abi? You think say I go die after you break my heart?
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I... Oh. Okay. It was you. Now it is clear. You lied to me and lied to your son as well. Huh?
What are you talking about?
Two weeks after you traveled, I come your house, come look for you. Your mama pursue me. Tell me, say, make her no try and come back to my house again. I don't know what thing I go do. I had to go back to my house. She told me to my face, say her pikin no go fit marry local girl like me. I come back 1 week later again. And tell me, say she don't travel, go abroad, go stay with you. I don't know what thing I go do because I just find out, say I don't get belle.
What?
Auntie Stella, you have been pregnant before?
I was pregnant for you. I go back to the community, go look for you. They tell me, say you don't come back. And the next news when I hear, I say you don't marry another person this month after everything. You don't even say make you look for me, you don't care about me, you did not ask after me, nothing. Well, I thank God.
I thank God because that pikin na the only thing where they make me happy now. She is my only strength and my only source of joy.
Okay.
What did I do you?
I
Don't come near me.
Okay. I just want you to calm down, okay? Just calm down. I will explain everything to you. But first, where is the child?
Excuse me. Please, where is the child?
Before I go and say anything, I want to see my sister. Where Joanna?
Your sister?
Where she did?
Wait. Joanna? How is Joanna your sister? You told me that you're the only child of your late parents. So what is the connection between you and Joanna? Huh?
Yes, I remember. So I tell you, sir, we only became.
Good.
But I got a sister through the pregnancy.
What?
Stella. Jesus Christ.
So you don't remember? The whole time when they tell me, say your first speaking must bear the name Joanna after your grandmother. Does you no vex say I no tell you, say Joanna na my pikin? When I find out, say I don't get belle for, I come out for the community where I did. Go another community. That one woman help me. She take care of me. Give me accommodation. Now she still help me when I dey born Joanna. 2 years after I born Joanna, I carry her come up for the community because I don't want to make anybody call her bastard. That day I moved to the community world that day. You know the rest of the story. I beg no vex. No vex.
It's okay. It's okay.
I beg where my pikin, where Joanna, I won't see her, where she dey? Where Joanna now? I don't dey ask since where my pikin dey.
Just calm down.
Joanna is dead. It is Oka's wife and her lover Oscar that forced her to eat the poison food, not me.
What? What poison food?
Jesus.
Where my pikin? Where Joanna? The only school she said she won't come where my pikin. Where is she there? Where Joanna? Where my pikin? Where my pikin?
Stella, it's okay.
Oh!
I asked a question. What did the young girl do to you?
Please don't hurt me. I am pregnant, please. And you are still lying. You are not pregnant. I eavesdropped on your conversation yesterday with Mr. Oscar when you told him on phone that you are not pregnant. Stop lying. I only kept quiet because she promised to give me money for my sister's surgery. But it's of no use because my sister is dead. My sister is dead because of you. I lied. Joanna is innocent. She did not do anything. She asked me to lie. It is because of her that I lied. What did she do? Baby,
see, Daniel. Who are you?
I am Detective Joel Simon. And this here is my colleague, Kelvin. We have a warrant of arrest for one Mrs. Sophia Desmond and one Miss Amakanze of this address. If you're Sophia Desmond or Amakanze, please indicate with a raise of hand.
I am Amakanze. She's Mrs. Sophia. She's the one.
Good. I'm sure you both recognize this young man here, Mr. Oscar.
Yes.
That is great. You are both under arrest for conspiracy and attempted murder of one Miss Joanna Ayena. You have the right to remain silent, else whatever you do or say can be and shall be used against you before a competent court of justice. You have a right to an attorney, but if you cannot afford one, the Legal Aid Council will give you one.
Attempted murder?
Yes, sir. We are lucky the victim survived.
Thank God. Where is she? Where is she?
The victim is safe and protected by the police at a private hospital, where this kind-hearted Dr. Daniel took her to save her life.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Oscar is my neighbor. I heard someone screaming from his apartment, so I have to alert the police immediately. Fortunately, he drove in a few minutes before the police arrived. I still have to take the police to his apartment. After interrogating him, they decided to search the house. They made him to open the door where the screaming was coming out from. Lo and behold, it was Joanna. Joanna was there screaming and vomiting blood. I have to introduce myself to the police. And I took Joanna to the private hospital where I work.
How is she?
She's fine. You and your mother should have been arrested.
Huh?
But Joanna told the police that you both are innocent.
Ah, good girl. Good girl. I want to see this child.
Yes. Please.
Baby, please forgive me. I think she's alive.
Madam.
Please, Mama, please. Stop! I'm gonna kill you!
Please don't do that.
Stop! I'm gonna kill you!
It's okay, madam.
I never knew the true meaning of poverty, not until now. I thought I could go through all the pain that comes with it and still survive. Because of poverty, a poor girl was left to die for a crime she did not commit. Poverty has really dealt with me. I thought the poor can associate with the rich. I was wrong. I never knew we are worlds apart. Makes this. I was left to die for a crime I did not commit. But even though I'm poor, I want them to know that a cow that has no tail counts on God to chase flies away. Because life and death stood face to face, but mercy said no.
Joanna, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I kept the truth away from you.
No. What truth? What are you talking about?
It's God. It's Desmond.
Desmond. What about Desmond?
Desmond is your father. I'm so sorry. What? I'm sorry.
No. Because what are you saying? We are orphans. We are orphans, sis.
No. I'm the one who's an orphan.
Princess, please. What are you saying? Are you okay?
I'm okay.
So, if
I am okay. I am so sorry.
Princess, if you're the one who is an orphan, who am I to you? Who is my mother?
Stella.
Who is Stella?
Joanna, I beg you in the name of God.
No.
I'm your mother.
No.
I am your mother.
Big sis, no.
I'm not your sister. I'm your mother.
No.
Please.
No.
I'm sorry.
Why?
I'm sorry. I am so sorry.
Don't touch me!
Okay. Don't touch me. I didn't want anybody to call you a bastard. I didn't want people to know that really. Please, I am sorry.
So, when were you going to tell me? Probably when poverty must have taken my life the way it almost did. You watched me suffer.
I did not. I swear to God, I didn't mean for it.
The man you call my father watched me die. So much.
Joanna, I'm sorry. I am sorry. Listen, I am deeply sorry. I had to come in here to have this conversation with you. I wanted it to be a mother and daughter conversation. I had to tell them to wait outside. Just so I can pour out my heart to you. It breaks my heart each time to see you this way. No, Joanna.
No, touch me!
Okay, don't touch me. I won't touch you.
You watch me so much.
I didn't mean to.
I don't know. Why did you tell me?
Joanna, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please, I'm begging.
Of destiny, a child of grace, whose hands are blessed, so blessed they can heal broken bones. She has come in search of a job. She has come in search of a life. Oh Lord, will the land favor
Joa. Hey, you're welcome here. Now face with this.
Namio.
Amos, thank you very much. Thank you. So you're welcome back home.
Thank you.
Okay? If this house reminds you of that awful evening, okay, just let me know. If you don't want to stay in this house anymore, let me know. I can get a new house for us and we'll relocate to the house.
Oh no. I can stay here. I mean, this house is like a scar that reminds a warrior of their victory after winning a war. So I can stay here because even if I leave, I always come back. So I can stay.
And this time you're going to stay here till you get married.
Thank you, Dad.
Hey! You! Oh, my grandchild. My child.
Thank you, Grandma.
I'm so sorry. Please.
No.
Forgive me.
I forgive you, Grandma. I forgive you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So thank you to your dad.
Thank you, Dad. Daddy.
She's a child of destiny, a child of grace, whose hands are blessed, so blessed they can heal broken bones. She has come in search of a job. She has come in search of her life. Oh Lord, will the land favor her? Oh Lord, will her dreams be fulfilled? Oh, she looks up to you.
I'm sorry. Why you can't they make me dey feel like that?
I'm sorry.
Come here.
I want you to find a place in your heart and forgive me. I'm sorry for all the pain I made you go through. I am truly sorry. I went looking for you. I seriously did. But I was told that you left the community with another man with your pregnancy.
Now you're picking and carry for belly at that time. I don't know, maybe as you know, they come inside, I go sleep with another man who carry belly. I suffer. This month, I suffer. Especially when I hear say you come go married.
I did not get married immediately. No, I did not. Trust me, I did not. I was hurt as well. I was looking for a way to heal too. I did not get married. Trust me, I did not. You see, all I wanted was I wanted my own children. I wanted children so badly, to the extent that I had to go to where we took the oath, to renounce the oath.
You went to renounce the oath?
So I had to go to that same spot that we took the oath. It still didn't change. I couldn't love another woman. My ex-wife left me. The last time I saw her, she was heavily pregnant with her husband. Yes. Still. Please. I still want you back. I still want you back in my life. Not because of the oath we took, not because we had a child together. But I just want to prove to you that I truly love you, and that love that I have can never die. It didn't die. Please.
She's a child of destiny, a child of grace, whose hands are blessed.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon. So what do you want?
Mirabel.
Oh my God.
Erica.
Wow.
You know them?
Yes, Dad, I do. They were the coppers who said I will never wear this.
Yes, cloth.
Sean, please. We are sorry.
We are deeply sorry, please, Joanna.
No, don't worry. You shouldn't be sorry. I should be grateful to the both of you. I mean, without the both of you, I wouldn't have met my dad, and I would not be wearing this today, so it's fine.
Okay, so what do you want?
Sir, we came in search of a job, sir.
Job?
Someone directed us here.
So what can you do?
Cooking, sir. Cleaning. Any kind of job.
Anything.
Okay,
The thing is, we don't need the cleaner. Neither do we need.
Hey, Auntie.
No, it's not about begging me. Not be to beg me be the problem. We don't need domestic staff.
Auntie Stella, please now.
No, don't beg me. What do you think?
So what's your name?
My name is Mirabel.
And you?
Erica, sir.
Erica.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you just hit my wife. We don't need any domestic staff. Okay? But I'll help you girls.
Oh my God.
Yes, I'll get a job for you girls somewhere else.
Oh my God. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma. Joanna, thank you.
Yeah, you can do.
Thank you, ma. Joanna.
Amos!
Thank you.
Amos!
Sir?
Come, take them.
Thank you, sir.
They're the ones that brought in this flight. Just ask me.
That's not.
I'm just curious, the flight is just too much.
Hi, Mom. Good morning.
Good morning. You know, this portrait is like a trophy to me. A sign of victory.
Yeah.
Anytime when I look this picture, that's so my mind they sweets me.
I know.
This is beautiful.
I swear. Thank you, Mom.
Hmm?
Thank you.
You said thank you. My daughter, I'm not supposed to say thank you.
Right.
Do you know what it is? You go school. I know here say you join court. I know here say you follow bad friends. You no drop out of school. You can't graduate with better results. You dey tell me that. My dear, come here. Aye.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
Me proud.
Thank
Hey.
you.
Guess who I saw yesterday?
Who?
Guess.
Hey, you know I'm not good at guessing now.
The last animal I expect to see in my life. Ferdinand.
Eh?
Your dad and I went to the A division yesterday to see the DPO.
DPO?
As we dey enter police station, the next person when I see, where they drag in like a baboon.
Nai.
Now Ferdinand.
Hey!
Guess what he did?
What?
He was charged for domestic violence, for assault, attempted murder on his own girlfriend.
Jesus Christ.
So I don't even know how I find myself with that man. That is the biggest animal I have seen in my life.
That man is mad.
Ha!
A madman.
He's a madman where they wear shirts. Now what's in it be?
I for breaking head where that time.
You see this breaking of head? I don't want it. It's okay. You are a graduate now. No breaking. You and this fight.
What things are
you are.
Mama.
Brian.
Breakfast is served.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, Grandma. How are you?
Okay. Who wants to? Prayers first.
My granddaughter should pray for us.
Okay. Alright. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Father, Lord, we bless.
She's a child of destiny. a child of grace, whose hands are blessed, so blessed they can hear